Hello everyone. I hope you can hear me and give me a second. Let me share my screen. So I hope you can see my screen and hear me very clearly. Please let me know if you can do that. Then press one into the chat box. It would be great. Jaideep says audible. Subosh says yes sir, you are audible. Okay. In case if I take a wrong name, please pardon me. Because I'm really sorry for that. So let me make your attendance sheet as well. Give me a second. Rest of the guys, please reply quickly so that we can start our conversations. So we have with us Ranjana, Jaideep, Sudhanshu, and Sagosh. So please press one if you can hear me. I got response from Jaideep and Sagosh. Sudhanshu says yes. Okay, great. Anjana also says yes. So give me a second. So how we start? I give you an overview about the course, and then we will start. Before that, I will give my own introduction, and I will take one by one your introduction as well and the objective, so that we can understand each other and we can enhance overall learning experience with it. Because the more we understand each other, the more relative example I can give it to you, the more relative case study I can share with you, the more detailed version of that I can give you of that industry through a digital site. That the other side, in terms of knowledge, maybe. Okay, so in your introduction, it's critically very important. You tell me about your education background, your current roles, which industries you have been worked with, and what is the objective of doing this course? You want to upskill, surely you want to upskill, but you want to create your own business, you want to become a freelancer, you want to look for a job, you want to do a career transaction, what exactly you want to achieve, so that I can help you up in rest of the other manners. Okay, so let me start with my introduction. So I am Jatin Bindal, consultant and trainer. I have been working with more than 7 different startups, helping them, coaching them in various aspects. I help them in creating plans of their digital marketing or overall marketing nowadays. After I don't have a huge experience in offline marketing. In last 1.5 year, I have handled mass media campaign and radio campaigns and other campaigns and spend around 15 or 15.5 crore rupees in that. So I have a little bit experience into that. In digital, like I've spent more than 150 crores till now on various campaigns for various clients across the world. So that is my forte primarily, and generated a 8x revenue for almost each of the clients. And few of these smaller clients in very early of my career, I have given them losses as well, but that is a part of learning. So that's about me in terms of education. I am trying to do MBA from last 2 years, but I haven't given a single exam. But but the efforts are still there, and I've done BTech in electronics and communication in 2013. Before that, I have done my basic schooling from Delhi. So I'm primarily from Delhi only and stay in Delhi. That's all about me. I participate in a lot of research projects by Facebook and Google. Recently, I did a analysis for them how their new interfaces work, along with 180 more people. But yes, I started with that. So that's all about me. I help Henry Harvin also in uh, their education consultation, perfume booth, Chumba. I worked with Avis India, and uh, in 𝐸 I have a lot of experience into education, startups. Now I have a good experience in literature as well, and soon in next 6 to 8 months, launching a new product or in the space of ebooks and the way of learning, the way of reading books precisely. That's all about me.